Alright, so today we'll be looking at this Sharp carousel microwave that have no fuse, no noise filter. Okay, so normally it have a circuit board here on top here, and that circuit board is the noise filter with the fuse. So there's no circuit board, no fuse. Alright, so this is the main supply. Normally the main supply will be on top here with a circuit board. As you can see, there is no circuit board. You can see the main run. Alright. Sometimes the fuse will be in the bottom here, but this one want a fuse. Sometimes you might find a fuse on this side by the micro switch, and you can see there's no fuse. This is a 2004 Sharp carousel model, and this is the first microwave I come across in 12 years. The first microwave I come across with no fuse and no noise filter circuit board. Very interesting. Alright, so thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.